Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. What I have today is a Battery Daddy smart storage system. Holds up to 150 batteries, various different types, and it comes with a free battery tester, which we'll test. I picked this up at Home Depot for $14.99 plus tax because this is the way this is the way I have my batteries right now. You know, they just sit on my toolbox, and just in case I need them. And that's the way they sit. So I saw this, and I figure, hey, let's get something to organize them. So see what happens here. So let's unbox this. See, it's actually even sealed. That's pretty cool. Oh no, I'm sorry, it's not sealed. It's part of the box. No, it is sealed. I'm sorry. There is tape. Let's take the trusty scissors. Take the trusty scissors. Excuse me. What's in this? Cellophane. Wrapping. Warning. Yeah, basically says don't suffocate. Don't play with the plastics. You don't suffocate yourself. Okay. It's not bad. I mean, it looks like it's a battery organizer. That's basically what it is. Okay, why is the handle not turning? Alright, so okay. Okay. A little force, you can get the handle to put up, excuse me. It has the battery tester, all the different compartments for your batteries, front and back. So, all right, let's pop this open. Use the two latches, goes back, pull the battery tester out. I don't know what that's for. I get a little read for that. And basically you can test your batteries. So let's see. This is only for AAA. This battery test is only for AA, AAA, and 9-volt. Yeah, okay. Alright, so we'll test that. We got a AAA right here. Okay. Oh, never mind. Take that back. I'm sorry. It springs open. Ah. Okay. I see how that works. Okay. You put it with the tabs, and you can see saying this battery is good. Okay, so let's try the big guy. Saying this D battery is good. So I'm going to test all these batteries real quick. I'm not going to bore you with that. And then I'm going to start organizing them. And I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. See you in a few. Guys, okay, I'm back again. Tested out all my batteries with the tester. It's not bad. It's pretty good. So this goes back in here. You can see as the batteries do fit in. Some double A's, triple A's, some 9 volts. They fit good. I did have, at all my stockpile batteries, I had 3 that were no good. They were totally dead. So that's done. I still have these. I ran out of room, the double A's. There's actually storage in the back for these. So I'm going to close this up. Latch it down. You hear the click. You're going to flip it over. Open it up. They give you instructions on how to use the battery tester. Okay. And I'm just gonna put the batteries in. That's all. And yes, I have a lot of double A's. I bought gray and white ones from Home Depot. I bought them Black Friday sale, for remotes and stuff. And I'm also into RC cars. So the remotes take double A's, which I have to get back into doing again. I have a ton of RC cars. That's a whole other story. Okay. Alright, I gotta fix this before my OCD gets the better of me. Alright. These Harbor Freight batteries are actually not bad. If you pick them up on sale to use them, they're not bad. So that's where the batteries in the back go. Well, I kind of don't really need that, but alright. Need the battery buddy, and there you go. It's locked. That's a pretty cool way to store your batteries, and for 15 bucks plus tax, it's not bad. Instead of them, sitting around in a drawer or on your workbench, just sitting around in boxes and bags. Now you have a nice way to organize them. Okay, gang? So that's the Battery Daddy Smart Battery System. Like I said, 15 bucks at your local Home Depot. Alright, thanks guys, and have a good day.